Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sam here, and today I'll be showing you guys a product called Affiliate Income Training Kit. This product is going to teach you how to make income online, and earn commission through affiliate marketing and other means. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned, and I'll see you. So guys, are you looking for financial security during this pandemic crisis? If yes, then let's see what Affincome Training Kit has for us. And I will also be offering some awesome bonuses as well in this video, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. And then I'll be giving a quick overview of this product itself. Okay, so what is Affincome Training Kit? So this is a way to uncover the closely guarded secrets to instantly propel yourself into the big leagues as a hotshot affiliate marketer and see boatloads of commission flowing into your bank account. Okay, so this is high definition training videos that you'll watch and just follow it step by step and be able to cash out from this. And this is a pandemic proof profit solution with affordable price. Okay, so here's just a quick overview of what the product is all about. I won't be playing this because of our time. Okay, and I'll be talking more about the prices in my bonus page, so stay tuned guys. So this is the sales page. I'll just be scrolling through the sales page and look for the most important stuff so that I don't waste much time here. So I think with this product you get some full customer support and stuff, like that, and you are able to follow these step by step and be able to start getting commissions into your bank account and being an affiliate marketer here. So you don't want to miss this if you want to go into affiliate marketing. Okay, so about 35% of affiliate make at least 20k in annual revenue from their affiliate marketing efforts. Okay, and 74% of US online shoppers check multiple affiliate websites before deciding on a purchase, and 50% of affiliate referred traffic comes from mobile devices. 73% of the merchants reported that their affiliate revenue met their needs. Okay, so looking at all the statistics, you will definitely know the power of affiliate marketing. Okay, so if it's something you want to do, if it's something you think you want to use as a side hustle, then this is the bit for you. Okay, so affiliate marketing is one of the few industries where the impact of the coronavirus has presented. So affiliate marketers with better opportunities, and the pandemic outbreak has resulted in the increasing financial uncertainty and higher unemployment. So these are just a quick overview on why you should go into affiliate marketing if you are looking for something to do beside your daily works or your daily job or your daily hustle. So this is where Affincome Training Kit comes in. It's a step-by-step training guide, so an all-in-one high-definition video training to get started and make game-changing commissions with affiliate marketing. Okay, so you get a complete step-by-step video training encompassing everything you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing and generate new leads and massive affiliate commissions every single day. Okay, so this is what you get, and it's worth $1,795. so you'll get a 14 chapter of step-by-step training videos that will show you exactly how to start your own affiliate marketing business and run it profitably online for the long term. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We'll also have several initial processes to get you going. So here's just a video of how it works. So the first chapter is what is affiliate marketing. Second one is like the overview of Warrior Plus, which is a platform you use. The third one is JVZoo, ClickBanks, and The fifth one is how to find affiliate products in any niche. So these are just a quick summary or a quick subtopic, I would say, of affiliate marketing, which is what we all do, which is what I personally do as well. So how to choose the best offers, how to promote your products on Warrior Plus, how to promote your products on JVZoo, how to promote your products on ClickBank, best-selling nation ClickBank, how to find bonuses for affiliate offers, how to use CB engine, that's ClickBank engine, how to promote your products on Amazon, how to do niche research for your Amazon affiliate blogs, and that's just it. And the second one, you get a premier training guide on Affincome Training Kit. So this is a resource for marketers, and it's worth $1,295. That's the worth, but that's not the price you are getting the course for, so do not be afraid. Okay, so I think that's just it, and you get some bonuses. So the first bonus you will get is the cheat sheet. It's worth like $30. Okay, and this sheet is a practical tool that will guide you with easy to follow steps of the whole training. Okay, and secondly, you get a mind map, which is for valued at $20, and the third one is a top resource report valued at $30. So these are just stuffs you can read, stuffs you can follow, okay, to be able to get this working for yourself, to be able to start the side hustle you have always been hoping for. Okay, so, and this product is owned by Larry. So I'll be moving on to the bonus page right now, just to show you guys the bonuses I myself will be offering, in addition to what the vendors are also offering, to what Larry is offering to you guys. And also I'm going to tell you guys about the price of this product once I get to the bonus page. So let's move on to the bonus page, guys. So welcome to some sensational bonus bundles, guys. So if you want to get Affincome Training Kit now, don't forget to click on the link here. So it's just a short form for Affiliate Income Training Kit. Okay, click on the link here. The link will be in the description below. It brings you up to this page, so click on it, and then this product will become yours, and you can start your journey as an affiliate marketing personnel. Okay, so I've talked about all of this before, so quickly I'll just hop on to the prices and the upsells. So the price for this product just ranges between $17.95 to $29.95, and with these you're able to access the Affincome Affiliate Income Training Kit software and training models, guys. So the price is just between, let's just say, between $18 and $30. Okay, and here are some of the benefits you might be interested in getting. So drop shipping, where you rely on unknown suppliers to fulfill orders for you. Customer support, you spend hours per day dealing with support tickets, questions, and refund requests. So buying and storing inventory, just hoping you can sell it without losing money. Paid ads, fucking out thousands on traffic with zero guarantees of results. So these are the things you're going to avoid, just following this step by step. And most importantly, like I always say in this channel, you get your 30-day money back guarantee with no question asked if this doesn't work for you or if you don't like it. So quickly, I'll be moving on to the bonuses I'll be offering. So the first bonus I'll be offering is the Boomerang Body Pro. Okay, so you don't want to miss this. This is going to help you boost your marketing business, your affiliate marketing business to the top. Okay, and the second one I'll be offering is what? YouTube Super Traffic Hack. You don't want to start affiliate marketing without having a YouTube channel that is going to help you promote your product, because what people do nowadays is once they see a product online, they want to go to YouTube and actually search for it and see it, and they just check what the top 5 videos or the top 3 videos. So you want to ensure that your video is part of the top 3 videos. Okay, and the third one is Continuum, done for you. So this is a done for you product, something that is going to help you boost your product as well, and also help you earn much more income. And the fourth one is 10K email manifesto case study. So email marketing is also something you might want to invest in, because this is going to help boost your product as well. Okay, and boost your product and also earn you much more commissions as well. And the final one is the special bonus. So with this, you're able to access vendor bonuses with no question asked. Okay, so guys, in case you want to get my free training and also learn more about affiliate marketing and how to make money as fast as possible, you can visit the website here. Just click on this website and it will take you to a page where you register for a webinar and watch the webinar live. Okay, and that is going to help you boost your affiliate marketing business to the top. I can assure you of that, because it works for me, so definitely it might work for you too. Okay, so quickly I'll be moving on to, just to show you a quick overview of those chapters that we have, from the sales page, so that you guys can know what to expect once you purchase this product. So guys, this is what Affiliate Income Training Kit looks like. So this is the chapter 1, where you get a quick intro of what is affiliate marketing, as well as chapter 2 here, where you have the Warrior Plus overview. And I'm going to skip on to chapter 4, where you have like the ClickBank overview as well. So guys, this is just what it looks like in a quick summary, where you have the training step by step, chapter by chapter. And I'm pretty sure if you follow this step by step, you'll be able to get the best out of this product, and it will help you get started in the affiliate marketing business. Okay, so just a quick one. Let's see what this says.
Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit. We are so excited to have you here and hope it will be very helpful. Inside this comprehensive step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to show you how you can instantly propel yourself into the big leagues as a hotshot affiliate marketer and see boatload of cash flowing into your bank account, even if you are a complete beginner. According to Statista, affiliate marketing spending in the US alone is...
So this is just a quick summary of what this is. So once you purchase this product, you will get to have much more full details of this. Okay, and you wouldn't have to worry about anything, guys. So I think this comes to the end of this video, guys. So if you want to purchase Affiliate Income Training Kit right now, please don't forget to click on the link in the description below, and Affiliate Income Training Kit will be yours with no questions asked. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.